AI is redefining education. AI will never replace higher education. Gen Z students, they want value for money, like I said. I often eat food from hostels sometimes. Dream big, achieve big. Why to limit yourself?
Hello everyone, welcome to Shiksha.com. Today we are at CGC University Mohali to get an inside look at the ideas shaping its growth story. And joining us is the Managing Director, Mr. Arsh Dhaliwal, someone who has redefined what a modern, industry-connected university can be. We are going to explore his ideology, his take on next-gen AI और ये भी जानेंगे कि कैसे CGC यूनिवर्सिटी मोहाली अपने स्टूडेंट्स को फ्यूचर रेडी कर रहा है.
CGC Janjedi has a long history of quality education. CGC University Mohali is always working hard day and night. Our academicians, our whole team is imparting quality education. We are modernizing labs, we are modernizing classrooms, we are imparting like more relevant education with the industry like Capgemini, KPMG, EY, IBM. All these brands are working with us in imparting quality education. They are creating curriculum with our university, and then they're opening centers of excellence, and we are having a joint degree programs with all these brands so that our students have a relevant education. AI is redefining education. AI will never replace higher education. In our CGC University Mohali, we often talk about AI all the time in my office as well, because if our students will have more equipped with AI applications, AI learning models, our students will have a significant improvement contribution in Viksit Bharat goal, which is led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Gen Z students, they want value for money, like I said. And Gen Z Gen Z want tech savvy, Gen Z want modern campus, Gen Z want modern labs, Gen Z want modern classrooms. We have more advanced labs coming up here. We have more modern classrooms coming up here. We are investing a lot in faculty resources, faculty training, faculty development programs. We have added a really big sports complex where students will have a modern state-of-the-art basketball court, gymnasium, huge gymnasium, I would say 7,000 square feet. And we are adding badminton courts, we are adding volleyball courts, we are adding boxing for students if you want to have judo, taekwondo, boxing, or all these amenities. Students will of course love the environment here, I'm telling you, because a lot of technical events like events keep happening here, cultural events keep happening here, fantastic nightlife for students here as well. Hostel life is amazing, marvelous. Students will enjoy the food here because our hostel food is amazing. I often eat food from hostels sometimes. Our placement record is highest in the country. Like if we talk about our highest package, which is 1 CR. I think none of the university have reached organic 1 CR package anywhere across India. And our placement record 1500 plus companies जो हैं वो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में इस साल आई हैं 2025 में. तो आप देखें कि यूनिवर्सिटी इज ग्रोइंग लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स. दिस ईयर वी हैव अराउंड 700 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स from various countries from across the world. So just to younger generation is dream big. Do not limit yourself. Dream big, achieve big. Why to limit yourself?